detox juice is essential to stay healthy and it's super easy to make. Today I'm gonna share 5 easy detox juice recipes with no sugar. Fresh veggies and naturally sweet fruits are great options. If you like my video, please make sure to hit the subscription box below and leave a comment. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna make green juice. Put baby spinach into the blender. Slice the celery and add. Next is delicious banana. I really like natural sweetness from banana. And add water. Hit the smoothie button on Vitamix blender. Wow, looking so fresh. I feel like I'm already healthy. This green juice helps you with immune functions and the celery is rich in vitamin and mineral. The second juice I'm making is ABC juice. You guys might have heard or tried this juice before. It's really sweet and yummy. Cut the core of an apple and dice it. Put them into the blender. Peel and dice the beet. I'm using only 1/3 of the beet. Beet is packed with fiber, vitamin B9, potassium, vitamin C, and it helps to lower high blood pressure. Add steamed carrot. Add water and blend it. The color is so vibrant. This ABC juice tastes really sweet thanks to the natural sweetness from the apple, beet, and carrot. One for me and one for you. How do you like this juice? ABC juice helps the skin glow because vitamin A slows down the aging of cells in the body. So your skin will be looking 10 years younger. Drinking healthy detox juice every day helps you with longevity. Very sweet and delicious. Sweet. Now I'm gonna make bok choy dish. Chop the bok choy and put them into the blender. Add delicious banana. And add water. The color of the juice is so refreshing, isn't it? Bok choy is a type of Chinese cabbage that has a full of fiber, vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant. All you need is fresh bok choy, banana, and the water. It's as simple as that. No brainer. The last juice is called turmeric lemon juice. I need a lemon slice for garnish, and I'm going to use the other half to make juice. Put turmeric into the glass and add warm water. Warm water will dissolve the turmeric. Lemon juice smells so good. You need maple syrup to give a little sweetness to the juice. Cooking healthy food with great recipe is my passion, and I love to share my recipe with you guys. Please hit the subscription box below and leave a comment. I'll be happier if you continue to support my channel. This is green juice, ABC juice, blueberry juice, bok choy juice, and turmeric lemon juice. Wow, they look amazing. Give it a try to make this healthy juice according to your taste and stay healthy. Thank you guys for watching. I hope my recipe will inspire you with healthy lifestyle. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscription box below, and see you again in the next video.